Hey, welcome to Brick Blokes. I'm Luke. And I'm Ike. And today we're building this 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback. Hey, Luke, where you going? Be back fast. Aww. Vroom, 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 vroom. Oh man, for just a small 183-piece set, this is a pretty cool little Mustang model you get as a result. The con is that it had a lot of stickers. They're kind of piddly, but we're gonna go ahead and still give it a 5-stud rating. We've got super big news for this video. We are doing a giveaway with this very model. So if you want to win a 1968 Ford Mustang hatchback, be sure to enter with the link below to the giveaway. If you share it on your social media, every entry who you get to follow you will give you extra entries into the giveaway. Be sure to do that. That would be helping us out a bunch, and you might win some Legos. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button. Thanks for watching Brick Blokes. Peace out.